Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. Okay na? So what is our running topic? Transformation of axis. Okay na? Transformation of axis. See here, second bit fifth question. This is the last question in this exercise. Only one exercise is there. So when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4, find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. Okay now? So here when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4, rotation of angle is given, that's why this is transformation of which type of transformation, sir? Rotation of axis or translation of axis? Rotation of axis. Here angle is given, that's why clearly this problem refers to the rotation of axis problem. Okay now? Here rotation of an angle, what is it, sir? Pi by 4. Find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 9. That's why given equation is the which equation? Original equation. Okay now? Given equation is the original equation. We are finding the transformed equation. Understand? Given equation is the original equation. We are finding the transformed equation. Okay now? See the solution. Here first what is given, sir? Rotation of angle. Rotation of angle. What is there here? Theta is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but which one, sir? 45 degrees. What is the rotation of angle, sir? Rotation of angle theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. Find the transformed equation of this equation. That is nothing but given equation is which equation? Original equation. We are finding the transformed equation. Okay now? Let capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Transformed coordinates. Okay now? Next small x comma small y are original coordinates. Original coordinates. Small x comma small y are original coordinates. Capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Okay na? Given equation is the original equation. This original equation we are converting into transformed equation. Find the transformed equation of this equation. That is nothing but we are finding the transformed equation. Given equation is original equation. Okay now? Here we are writing given original equation is. Given original equation is. What is it, sir? 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 9. This is the equation 1. This is the given equation is the original equation. Now we have the relation between the new coordinates and old coordinates is there. In the rotation of axis, we can find the relation between the new coordinates and old coordinates. By using of this table, we can find some. Here theta, small x, small y, capital X, capital Y. This is nothing but which is cos theta minus sin theta. Here sin theta, cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Now the original coordinates are we are expressing into the transformed coordinates. What are the transformed coordinates? Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed coordinates. Now we are small x value expressing in terms of capital X sum. Okay na? Here we know that the relation between the new coordinates and old coordinate. We know that small x is equal to, we want small x value, that's why we are taking the horizontal line. We want capital X value, we are taking the vertical line. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Next to small y is equal to capital X sin theta. Capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to one second horizontal line sin theta cos theta. Capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Here what is the rotation of angle, sir? Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Rotation of angle theta is equal to 45 degrees. Small x is equal to capital X into what is the value? Cos 45 minus capital Y into sin 45. That is nothing but capital X into cos 45 1 by root 2 minus capital Y into sin 45 1 by root 2. Here what is the LCM value? Root 2 is the LCM value. Capital X minus capital Y. Okay now. Capital X minus capital Y are the transformed variables. Small x is equal to capital X minus capital Y. Okay now. Here also theta is equal to what is the value? 45 degrees. Y is equal to capital X into here what is the value? Sin 45 plus capital Y into cos 45. Okay now. Small y is equal to capital X into sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Capital Y into cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Here y is equal to capital X plus capital Y by root 2. Y is equal to capital X plus capital Y by root 2. Substitute which one, sir? Substituting which one? Small x is equal to capital X minus capital Y by root 2, comma small y is equal to capital X plus capital Y by root 2 in equation 1. So we are substituting these two values in equation 1. We get the required transformed equation we are getting. Okay now. So we get required transformed equation we are getting. Substituting small x is equal to capital X minus Y by root 2, small y is equal to capital X plus Y by root 2 in equation 1. We get the required transformed equation we are getting. First all of you write this one. See here. This values are substituted in equation 1. This is the equation 1. So in this equation we are substituting. Okay. See here. So small x is equal to capital X minus Y by root 2 in this equation we are substituting. 3 into small x is equal to capital X minus capital Y by root 2 whole square plus 10 into x sum. Small x is equal to capital X minus capital Y by root 2 into y is equal to capital X plus capital Y by root 2. Okay now. Plus 10xy plus 3y square. 3 into capital Y. What is the capital Y? So capital X plus capital Y by root 2 whole square is equal to what is the value? 9. So small x is equal to capital X minus Y by root 2. Y is equal to capital X plus capital Y by root 2. We are substituting these two values in equation 1. We get the required transformed equation. 3 into root 2 whole square. The denominator root 2 is the root 2 whole square is 2. Capital X square plus capital Y square minus 2 into capital X into capital Y by what is the value? 2 plus 10 into here capital X minus capital Y into capital X plus capital Y. Capital X square minus capital Y square. Here a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Root 2 into root 2. 2 plus 3 into capital X plus Y whole square. Capital X square plus 2 into capital X capital Y plus capital Y square by root 2 whole square is equal to 2 is equal to 9. Okay now. Now we are simplify this one. Here what is the LCM value? LCM value is 2. 2 is the LCM value. Now this terms you are multiplying to inside. Okay, now 3 into capital X square plus 3 into capital Y square. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 capital X capital Y plus here what is the value? 10 into capital X square. 10 into capital X square minus 10 into capital Y square plus 3 into capital X square. 3 into 2 6 into capital X capital Y plus 3 into capital Y square is equal to 9. 2 into 9 which one sir? 18. Okay now. So here minus 6xy plus 6xy cancel. Minus 6xy plus 6xy cancel. 2 into 9 18. Remaining value 3x square plus 3x square plus here 3x square plus 10x square 13x square 13x square plus 3x square. What is the value? 16x square. 3x square is there 10x square 13x square 13x square plus 3x square. What is the value? 16x square. 16x square. Next y square terms 3y square. 3y square plus 3y square. What is the value? 6y square. 6y square minus 10y square. 6y square plus 6y square minus 10y square. What is the value? Minus 4y square is equal to 2 into 9 18. This all the terms we can take the common. So there is 18 is there, that's why 18 not cancelled by 4. We are taking the common 2. 2 we are taking the common. Okay now. So 18x square minus 2y square is equal to 18. 2 1s are 2 9s are. Remaining value what is the here? 18x 16 is there. 16 is there, that's why 8x square only. 16 is there, that's why we are writing only 2 into 8 16. 8x square 8 into capital X square minus 2 into capital Y square is equal to 9. Okay now. There is 16 is there, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4. Okay now. So 8x square minus 2y square is equal to 9. Is the required transformed equation. Is the required transformed equation. Okay now. All of you read this one. See the next question. Excel problems completed, Amma. So only one example problem I am saying. See, when the origin is shifted to 2, 3, origin shifting point what is the Amma? 2, 3 by the translation of axis. If the coordinates of capital P are changed as 4, minus 3, find the coordinates of P in the original system. We are finding the coordinates of P in the original system. Okay, Amma? That's why we are finding the original coordinates, that is nothing but small x small y we are finding. So the coordinates of P are changed as means the transformed coordinates are given. First see here, this problem refers to the translation of axis or rotation of axis. Clearly in our question given translation of axis. Okay now. See the solution. First origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. Where is the origin shifted point, sir? 2, 3. That is nothing but h, k is the origin shifted point. Okay na? So here let capital X, capital Y are transformed coordinates. Transformed coordinates. Small x, small y are original coordinates. Original coordinates. Small x, small y are original coordinates. Okay now. So here given transformed coordinates. given transformed coordinates. What are the given transformed coordinates, sir? 4 comma minus 3. That is nothing but capital X comma capital Y. Find the coordinates of P in original system. Original system means small x comma small y we are finding. That's all. Given coordinates are the transformed coordinates. Okay now? Given coordinates are the transformed coordinates. What are the transformed coordinates? Capital X comma capital Y. Yeah, this is the capital X, this is the capital Y. So here we know the relation between the new coordinates and old coordinates. We know that small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Okay now? So we are finding original coordinate, that's why small x comma small y. Small x is equal to capital X plus h. What is the capital X value? 4 plus h. H is equal to what is the value? 2. Small x is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. What is the capital Y? Minus 3 plus k. K equal to what is the value? 3 is there. K is equal to 3. Minus 3 plus 3. Y is equal to 0. Therefore, small x comma small y is equal to 6 comma 0. Okay na? So always remember in this topic only two formulas are there. If the problem refers to the translation of axis, use this formula. X is equal to x capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Small x comma small y are the original coordinates. Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed coordinates. So rotation of axis is there. In that case, we are using the table. What is the rotation of axis table, sir? Here theta, here capital X, capital Y, x, y, small x, small y. Here cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. We want capital X value. Capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. We want capital Y value minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. By using of this relation, we can transform from one system to another system easily. So this topic is completed. Okay now? So our next topic will be start tomorrow.